Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lily who loved her cat, Mittens, more than anything in the world. One day, Lily and Mittens were playing hide and seek when Mittens decided to hide in a very unusual place, the refrigerator. Lily searched high and low for Mittens but couldn't find her anywhere. She even checked under the bed, in the closet, and behind the couch, but still no luck. Just when she was about to give up, she heard a faint meowing sound coming from the kitchen. She quickly ran to the kitchen and opened the refrigerator door to find Mittens sitting on the top shelf, looking very pleased with herself. Lily couldn't help but laugh as she scooped Mittens out of the fridge and gave her a big hug. From that day on, Lily made sure to always check the fridge before closing it, just in case Mittens decided to play hide and seek again. And Mittens? Well, let's just say she never tried to hide in the fridge again.